Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, we are going to talk about how to transfer funds from PayPal to Binance. By the way, before we get started, I'm gonna ask you kindly to get a piece of paper, a pen would do if you can. Just write down notes here as we follow through, okay? So, first things first, as you can see, I am on my PayPal homepage, and the thing here is, if we are trying to link or integrate the PayPal account or PayPal application with our Binance account, I'm sorry to tell you guys, but there's no way to do that. However, there is a workaround. I have a workaround for you, so please stay at the end of the video so you can know this one, okay? So let's get started. Make sure you have your PayPal and Binance open. Make sure you're logged in, not just on the landing page. Make sure you have this logo logged out. Also the same here, so make sure we have logged in. The thing here is, for example, as you can see here, I have no balance just yet. We need to transfer balance to our card. The first thing we're gonna do is link a card. Click this option right here, and then you should see a bank card right there. Click on the bank card you choose to link. Make sure it's given nickname, everything is good, and go back here on this section, PayPal balance. Click on the send payments right there, and should ask you where to send payments. Just choose the link or the bank link on your PayPal account. For example, mine's Philippine National Bank. I'm gonna send payments here, and then once I have done that, I'm gonna go back to Binance right there. Click on this tab right here. I have two options. I can buy crypto via bank deposit, credit, debit card, or cash balance. I'm just gonna go with credit debit card right here, and the thing here is I'm just gonna use my card to buy crypto. The idea here is we just transferred our money to our card account. So the thing here is I'm just gonna choose USD here. Okay, if you have Euro, if you're using Euro, that's fine. For example, I'm gonna use 10 USD or 100 USD right there, or 15 USD right there. The minimum is 15. And I think the maximum is gonna be 200,000 or 20,000 USD. Anyway, 15 USD for you guys, and you're gonna receive 0.000493 Bitcoin. So once that's done, just click on continue right here, and then input the card that you transferred your funds to. The idea here is we didn't really connected PayPal to Bitcoin, right? The thing we did is we took our money from PayPal, transferred it to our card or bank. Now we're gonna use the specific card or bank to buy Binance or Bitcoin in Binance. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.